Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video I'm gonna get my Catback exhaust installed. This time I'm going with an H pipe instead of an X pipe. Should be a different sound from what you guys are used to, the raspiness. I just want to go with something different, just experimenting, So I'm over here at my friend's shop. He's gonna put it on for me. Install should not take that long, so stay tuned for the video. It should be pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys the exhaust that I'm putting on. It's a Flowmaster and it's actually active if I want to make it active. So let me show you guys that exhaust right now. Alright guys, this is it right here. I know you guys saw it on my last video when I was over here. So these are the Flowmaster Outlaws with the active exhaust flaps, valves. If I want to make them active, eventually maybe I will. I can go ahead and buy the controller for it and hook it up. So as you guys can see, that is the H pipe. We're gonna see how that sounds. So the H pipe, I think you said 2 7/8, right?
I believe so.
Okay.
I think it's 2 7/8.
Yeah. This is 3 right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, 2 7/8 H pipe and then 3/8. I mean 3-inch H, all the way back. These things are gonna be loud, as you guys can see. Literally, there's no mufflers on them. So this is gonna be crazy. Stay tuned for the video. Should be lit. Well, you better get your story ready, everything ready.
Bruh, my phone's on 2%.
Huh?
My phone is on 2%, buddy.
iPhone problems, man.
Head ass.
Yes, sir. Exhaust finished. Ready to start this thing up. It's gonna be crazy loud. Hey, I don't know if you guys are, but I am super excited about this. Let's see. Again, guys, H pipe with the Flowmaster Outlaws, mufflers with the active exhaust, but I haven't set that up yet. I will eventually. So it should still be pretty loud. I'm gonna put the camera down and start it up. That's good. You can come out, bro.
Yes, sir.
Here, on the camera, I'm gonna back up.
think?
Huh? Oh my gosh, bro, this sounds amazing, guys.
A few minutes later.
One, two, one, two.
Alright, y'all, that was it for today's video. H-pipe installed with the Catback. Guys, the Mustang is loud, exactly how I want it now. No more quiet resonators, you know, the muffler is quieting it down. We got a full Flowmaster Outlaws. Alright, y'all, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Smash that subscribe button if you liked the video. If you want to see the Mustang getting built, going faster every single time, make sure you hit that subscribe button. More videos coming your way. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.